Greetings from Green Island Tours and Travels. It's SOP regarding COVID 19 test for tourists coming to Andaman Islands. As on 1st November 2020, things to be followed on arrival at Port Blair. Point number 1. The tourist arriving at Port Blair will be tested for COVID 19 at Veera Savarkar Airport using rapid antigen test. The result will be given at the airport itself. The tourist will be charged as per rate fixed by administration, presently Rs 500 per person. If the tourist tests negative, he or she can proceed for the trip. If found positive, he or she will have to undergo institutional isolation till recovery from COVID-19. Point number 2. Alternatively, the tourist can OPT to carry COVID-19 negative reports from mainland based ICMR approved lab using reserved transcriptions polymers chain reaction or true net test. However, the sample of RT-PCR or true net test should have been taken within 48 hours of starting the journey from the origin station. The result of this RT-PCR or true net test will be confirmed only using the SRF ID, following which the tourist will be examined from RAT testing at the airport and can proceed for the trip. Point number 3. If the sample for RT-PCR or true NAT test has been taken more than 48 hours from the starting of the journey, retest will be done at Veera Savarkar Airport using RAT test. Even if RT-PCR or true NAT test result is negative, the tourist will be charged as per the rate fixed by administration. Point number 4. No institutional or home quarantine is required to be observed if the tourist has tested negative, either through RAT test at airport or RT-PCR test, true NAT test at ICMR approved labs. For the traveller to Shahid Dweep, Neer Island and Swaraj Deep Havelock. Point number 5. Those tourists who are carrying RT-PCR or true NAT based COVID negative report as described in para 2 or have been tested negative at airport using RAT test as descriptions in para 1 need not to take the test again for subsequent travels to or return from Shahid Dweep or Swaraj Deep. Point number 6. However, in case any symptoms are developed, the tourist should immediately report to the nearest PHC or CHC and therefore necessary testing will be done as advised by the doctors. Point number 7. It is retreated that traveller to North and Middle Andaman Island, Nicobar groups of island and Little Andaman Island is not permitted for tourist purpose till further orders. In case tourist test positive for COVID-19 on arrival or during stay. Point number 8. If the tourist on arrival at airport tests positive, he or she will need to undergo institutional isolation as per existing health protocol. The cost of such isolation for government facility will be paid by the tourist as fixed by the administration from time to time. Presently, Rs 1,000 for isolation at ITI Dollygunj COVID ward. Point number 9. If the patient wants to stay at hotel, he or she can stay in the hotel if all the conditions below are met. Point A. Patients are not symptomatic and not more than 60 years old. Point number B. Request undertaking is made by patients in writing if allowed by the doctors. Point number 10. Hotels will make necessary arrangements to designate a part of their rooms for institutional isolation for this purpose. All the above necessary things to be followed as directed by the Directorate of Tourism, Andaman and Nicobar Administrations. Thank you. We will keep you posted all the updates. Kindly like and subscribe our YouTube channel Green Island.